Welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this video, you'll find out how you can generate SEO keywords in Marmalead. You can use Marmalead in order to create the perfect SEO keywords for your Etsy products. And this is the best way to do it. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for marmalead.com. Click on the first link and you'll be directed to the main page of Marmalead. Here, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up or log in. You can click on login and sign up from the top right corner, or just click on get Marmalead. The next thing you'll need to do is to identify what keywords you want to use for your product or what you're trying to sell. For example, let's just say you're trying to sell a t-shirt. You'll go into the search option of Marmalead and search for fall t-shirt or any keyword that you want to use. And then you'll be given a deep analysis on that keyword. For example, this keyword that I searched has only 99 searches, 94 engagement, and only around 540,000 of competition. Because the bar is orange, this is not a keyword to use for my product. You can see the engagement over time, the pricing that is used by your competitors. This is the main thing in trying to identify the perfect keyword for your product. This is the engagement over time you would see if you have a good keyword. The basic thing is that if you see the green bars on your keyword, that means it's a good keyword and you should go with it for your product. You can try different keywords here in order to get the analysis, and then you can decide on what works the best for you and your product. And that is how you can easily use Marmalead in order to generate the perfect keyword for your products. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, just subscribe and like this video.